If you need to cancel a pending transfer on TranscribeMe, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your TranscribeMe account by entering your username and password on the website. Make sure you are using the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in your account dashboard. This area will display all your pending and completed transfers. Step 3. Identify a pending transfer. In the Transfers section, find the specific pending transfer you wish to cancel. Review the details to confirm that it is the correct transfer before proceeding. Step 4. Select the Cancel option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Isroc to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the transfer. Confirm your decision to complete the cancellation. You should receive a notification that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel any pending transfers on TranscribeMe. If you have further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to TranscribeMe support team for help.